What's up, guys? Welcome to another video with Dogs Bros.
And here's Dad with something that you really have to check out for your home.
Alright guys, so here's the smart leak detector and water flow monitor from Flume. It's actually the Flume 2 edition, so it's a little newer than the other one. And it detects water leaks, monitor indoor and outdoor usage, and save on water bills. So basically what it does is that it detects water leaks in your house, and it can save you some money because it would send you on your phone, you download an app, and it sends you a notification because you're having water leaking at any point. All right, so let's unpack it and see what it does. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it comes with a quick start guide that tells you how to scan it and download the app, because that's the first thing you gotta do to install it. You gotta make an account and then you continue installing as the direction says. In the box, it includes the Flume water sensor, which is this one right here. It also includes your, this is the Wi-Fi bridge that connects to Wi-Fi, so it tells you and it sends you the signals to your phone and from your meter. And includes also, the connectors and a pair of gloves so you don't get your hands dirty. And a little key to open we'll show you how to install it in a bit. Alright guys, let's go outside and install it.
But wait, Dad, before they go out, they need to do some steps. First, you need to download the Flume app on your phone. You can do this by scanning the QR code that comes with the installation guide. And the first thing it's going to ask you is if your leak detector is compatible with your meter. Make sure to check on that even before you buy it. Then it's going to ask you to scan the QR code on your bridge. And you will find that on the back part of your bridge. Then proceed to scan the QR code on the water sensor. And you will also find this QR code on the side of the sensor. Once you are done with this, you are ready to connect the bridge to the outlet. And it will ask you to make sure to keep both of the items together to make sure they recognize each other. So go ahead and connect the Wi-Fi to your bridge. And then wait till they link each other on your app.
And let us know in the comments if you like the info in this video by just typing massive info.
This will help YouTube understand that this video was helpful.
That's right, my boy. And I will also recommend this video to other people that might need this installation guide just like you.
And once they are linked to your Wi-Fi, you are ready to move on to the next step.
And what the app is going to tell you to do next is to attach your sensor to the meter. So make sure you know where your meter is outside, and we'll show you how to attach it. And that's when the little key that comes in your box comes in handy. You can use it to take the cover off to access your meter. Make sure to clean all around the area of your meter so that you can set the sensor correctly, because it is very important so that the sensor can detect if the water meter is working. That way, if it detects that there is a leak, it will send you a notification.
Also, the area where you can see if the meter is running, clean it very well, because you're gonna have to take a photo for the app to start synchronizing your meter. So just clean everything as best as you can. And once you are done cleaning the area, you are ready to secure the sensor to your meter. And before that is when it's gonna ask you to open your meter and make sure that the dial is clear and everything looks alright for the photo, because it needs to see the brand, model, and the size of your meter. And once you have sent the photo, it's gonna ask you to attach the sensor to the meter. And it's very easy because it has a strap, and all you have to do is just strap it. Super easy. As you can see, it requires no plumbing. All you have to do is, make sure that it fits nice and tight and just attach it. Once you have done all of this, the app will ask you to run some water. So you gotta make sure it's like maybe the water from the faucet, because it needs to have some kind of pressure. And it's gonna do a test to see if it can read it and synchronize it with your app. And there you go. You're all set. You can get discounts in your home insurance. And if you go to your water company, they might have some rebates for this one. Check in our video description. We'll leave the link to the leak detector right there for you guys to, if you guys liked it and want to buy it.
Daddy, that was really easy to install. It just took a few minutes.
That's right, my memory princess. And guys, it only took a few minutes to install. This is really easy and anybody can do it. Just follow the directions and you'll be good.
And remember, if we can do it, you can do it.
And let us know in the comments if you like the info in this video by just typing massive info.
And if you have this leak detector and you've been having it for a while, please let us know in the comments how it's been for you. Is it been working? Does it, work correctly? And things like that. Another way that you can help this channel keep making more videos like this for you is to check out our storefront, where we have cool gadgets like this one and tools that will help you in your everyday life to either have the best gadgets or just make your life easier with some special tools. We'll also set the link to our Amazon store in the video description for you to check it out. Alright guys, hope this video was helpful, and here are 2 more videos of more tutorials that you might want to see.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Dos Bros, we out.
Bye bye, brother. See you next video.